let's improve our error handling logic. And that is, we want to avoid using next, because without next, we cannot catch any error inside our error handling middleware. So unless we bring in next to all the route. And to avoid that, we are going to use a package called Express Async Handler. So let's go ahead and install that package. Let me clear it as npmi express-async handler and hit enter. And with this package, is going to help us also to avoid using try and catch. Let me show you how we are going to use it. Up here, I'm going to require the package as async handler. And this is how we are going to use it. We are going to wrap our callback function with the async handler package. So here, I'm going to cut the callback function from the app.get or post here. In this case, I have removed everything from here. And I'm going to bring in the async handler as a function call. And inside, we are going to paste that. And that is it. Meaning that we have pasted our handler into the Express Async Handler package. And with this one being added, we can remove the next here. And down here, I'm going to remove it. And we are going to remove try and catch here also, which is try and catch also here. Alright, have you seen that with this package, it has simplified our code for us without using try and catch, and also not to use next. Alright, so now with this one, let's try out. Let me hit send. Think the server is not running. Let me restart the server and let's try again. And now, have you seen that everything is working fine? This one's supposed to be post already exists. I have to add s at the end, which is this. Alright, so I'm going to wrap the rest of this one with that. So I'm going to copy or cut everything from here and then bring in async handler and paste that and remove the try and catch here. Likewise, this one for the put, select the callback or the handler and then bring in the async handler as a function call and paste that. And let's remove the try and catch. Let me collapse it, and then the next one is going to be the get a single post. Select everything, cut it, and then async handler function call, paste it, remove the try and catch. Perfect. And lastly is for the delete, which is this and this. And let me copy that, cut it, async handler, and then paste it here. Let's try out to test if they are all working. For listing of all posts, delete, update, and then creation of a post. Everything is working fine. The last type of error that we are going to handle is called not found error. Let's get into it in the next video.